Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to download Facebook Messenger conversations. Alright, so let's begin with the video. I'm right here on my Facebook account. First, go to the top right corner and click on your profile picture to open the account menu. From there, click on Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings. This takes you to the Settings dashboard. At the top, you'll see Account Center. Click on See More in Account Center. I'm showing this on desktop, but you can follow the same steps on mobile. Inside Account Center, scroll down until you find your Information and Permissions. Click on that and then select Export Your Information. Now click on Create Export. Next, select your Facebook account. Now you'll see two options: download directly to your device or transfer to a cloud service like Google Drive or Dropbox. If you choose Download to Device, the files will be saved to your computer. For security reasons, Facebook only gives you 4 days to download once the file is ready. After that, enter the email address you want Facebook to notify when your file is ready. Next, click that, and you'll get to choose what type of data to download. If you only want Messenger chats, deselect everything else and just tick Messages. Facebook warns that downloading messages may take longer depending on how many you have. You can also set a date range. So if you only want the last month, last 3 months, or 6 months of messages, you can pick that, or set a custom range. Next, choose the file format, HTML or JSON. HTML is easier to open in a browser and is the best option for most people, while JSON is for raw data use. Then choose the media quality, high, medium, or low. Medium is usually fine unless you specifically need high-quality photos or videos. Once that's set, click Start Export. Facebook will now prepare your messages for download. You'll see a pending request in your account, and once the file is ready, you'll get both an in-app notification and an email to the address you provided. From there, you can simply download the archive to your computer or laptop. And that's it. So that is how you can download Facebook Messenger conversations. So that's all for this video. Thanks.